You love sawdust, don't you? No, you don't. But what are you doing about it? Nothing. But what are we doing about it? Something. Introducing MicroJig's magnetic dust cover for steel table saws. Fighting the sawdust in any wood shop is a constant battle. Sure, connecting your saw to a good dust collector helps, but still we saw room for improvement. And we made that improvement. Most table saws have a dust port for connecting them to dust collectors. However, the base of a table saw isn't a closed system. Over time, dust can build up inside the saw. It's not good for all those moving parts in there, and it can be dangerous. Suppose something creates a spark inside your saw, and it ignites some of that built up sawdust. Your dust collector then sucks up that burning ember, dumps it onto a bag full of sawdust, and ignites the whole thing. Now you've got a shop fire on your hands. Is that really what you want? Anyway, the bevel slot. While necessary for tilting your blade, it also creates a cavity in the base of your table saw. This cavity allows for air to flow through the base of the saw, which results in a loss of suction and makes your dust collector not as effective as it could be. The magnetic dust cover creates a seal around the bevel slot, concentrating the suction and generally improving the effectiveness of your dust collection system. Simply cut along the dotted line to the center hole, slide it over the bevel slot with the center hole around the elevation wheel shaft, then trim the edges as needed to fit your saw. And that's it. Now enjoy your cleaner, safer shop.
MicroJig. Work safer. Work smarter.